we both acted pretty quickly. And Steve was telling them within minutes of me being there that they probably shouldn't be there. It's crazy that that happened within 48 hours.
I've never seen anything like this ever in my career. To think that these homes were intact, yesterday afternoon, and today you can hear the creaking, the cracking, the crumbling, and they're going to fall.
Yeah, this is Mark Cook from Dalinghaus Construction. I wanted to talk to you about a very interesting situation I ran across last week. So we were called out to a homeowner in the Palos Verdes area, Rolling Hills Estates community, to go look at a home. They complained that there was a driveway movement from some sort of previous water leak. So I showed up and I was driving down the street before the homeowner got there, and I noticed, and the street level was above the driveway level, so I was able to look directly at eye line at the garage area and the garage roof line. So I immediately noticed that there was a big crack down the roof line, and the garage was kicked out, and this was all on a slope. And so I waited for the homeowner to get there, and then I told her that I believe it's more of a severe problem. So we walked through the house, and then we went through the backyard, and there was a neighbor present. And I said, I think we need to get an engineer on FaceTime. So I took a few videos, and then I spoke to him, and the homeowner was concerned if she should evacuate or move out of the home if it was safe to live in. So I wanted to leave that up to an engineer, and once we got him on FaceTime, I showed him some of the cracks and some of the fissures in the slope that was near the backyard, and he did suggest that that person moved out. So this was a Thursday afternoon. And then she did mention that in 2 months after this water leak, that the house had moved approximately 6 inches towards the slope. So over the weekend on Saturday, they were told to evacuate. This particular homeowner that called us out actually evacuated on Friday afternoon, but there was a landslide, and the fire department ordered the people to move out, evacuate on Saturday evening, and apparently they got about 20 minutes to remove all their stuff. But the reason we're showing you this video here at Dalinghaus Construction is to rely on professionals. I have a lot of experience, so immediately when I got to the home, I knew there was a bigger issue than us just putting piers and lifting the home. I knew that I had to get an engineer involved that I worked with. This particular engineer is a slope expert witness. He is just a really, really skilled professional. But this is the main reason we're shooting this video, just to rely on the experts. And I feel terrible for the people, but I'm glad we acted quickly and just told the homeowner that called us out. But call us if you have any foundation problems, see cracks in your drywall, in your stucco. If you have any slope movement, please call Dalinghaus Construction. So bye for now.